Do you know, as a veteran or family member of a veteran, that you can go to the VA's website and download previous correspondences that they mailed you, to include the VA notification letter, VA rating decision, and any other correspondences that they previously sent you in the mail? In today's video, I'm going to walk you through how you can download those documents. So stand by. Hello, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Dwayne Kimball, owner and founder of KMD89 VA Claims Consulting, United States Army veteran, and retired VA rating specialist. Today's video: how do you go to the VA's website and download previous correspondences, to include rating decisions, notification letters, and any other correspondences that the VA has previously mailed to you? Okay, so let's go to the VA's website. Here on the VA's website, you can see different things that you can do. Access and manage your VA benefits and healthcare. I think this is an awesome website that the VA put together for veterans. I remember back when I filed my claim, they didn't have this. Okay, we didn't have any apps. We didn't have websites. They had a website, but it wasn't this robust. Okay, so they've come a long way. Now, when you scroll down, you can see different things that you can access: healthcare, education, disability, or records. I've been to records before, here where you could download, where it says download your benefit letters. If you're 100% permanent total and you need a letter for tax exemption to take to your county DMV to get a DV tag, apply for a tax exemption, or commissary letter where you could take to a local military installation, if you're close to one, to get an ID card so you can get on posts. In Army, we call them posts. I think Air Force, they call them bases. Okay. All right. Now, disability. But before we get to that, I am already logged in. Okay. Reason why I did that, because then I would have to blur out, all my login information and stuff like that. So you want to make sure you log in and your name will appear here in the top right-hand corner. Now, once you get to this page, you want to click on check claim or appeal status. We're going to do that. All right. And now it's going to bring us here. Check your claim or appeal status. On this page, it tells you what can you do. Track your claim or appeal on your mobile device. They have an app. It's pretty cool. I have it on my phone. Your claims or appeals, additional services. What if I don't see my appeal? Need help. Okay. They give you a lot of information. Then it gives you track your claim or appeal on your mobile device. Okay. Again, I went to the App Store. I downloaded it. I went through it, logged in, went through it. It brought me to the same information. So we're going to X out of that. And your claims or appeals. So the last two things I did were FOIA requests. Okay, so you can click on the view details and it'll give you the document that they sent you pertaining to your FOIA request. But we want to find a claim for compensation. Here we go. Here we go. So my last claim. This was my last claim for compensation, updated on November 26, 2018. All right. So gives us a status, says it's closed. You have a decision letter ready, submitted on October 18, 2018. Let's see what we got. Okay. So you can see we have your compensation claim. What you've claimed, 5237, talks about lumbosacral strain and cluster migraine headaches. Both are increases. Okay. So they give you some detailed information there. All right. Now, when we let's click on get your claim letters. All right. So look at what we have here. It starts with March 1st, 2022, and it lets me know, oh, it didn't let me know how many events I had. Okay. But I keep going through and it goes back all the way to December 17th, 2018. Let's see how far back it takes us. Okay. All the way back to November 25th, 2009, a few months after I submitted my first claim. Let's go back to the first page. And we want to go to, I think it was, 2018. 2018. Not that one, but right here. This was the one. Okay. So when you click on this, okay, I'm not going to click on it because it's going to have my personal notification letter and rating decision. But I'm going to share something else with you that you will be able to identify. So right here, when you click on this, because I know this is the rating decision, okay, because it told me earlier, right? Download November 27th, 2018. So when I download that, okay, this is, right here. Let me put this up here. Okay, this is what you're going to get. This is a VA rating decision. Now, it's a John Doe. This is an old one that I put together just for training purposes only. As you can see, it's a draft, has a company logo over here. All right. So I just did it because I was doing some training with some other veterans. This is the first page of your rating decision. Okay. So you go through, you'll see it'll say Department of Veterans Affairs, Veterans Benefit Administration, because guess what? Compensation falls under VBA, not VHA. Okay. You have John Doe. So your name will be there, the file number, your social security number, the rating decision, the date, the introduction, give you military service, and the decision. Also, evidence that was submitted and adjudicated. Okay. So this is the rating decision. All right. A lot of veterans don't know what the rating decision looks like. So I'm going to scroll down again so you can see it. Okay. This is the rating decision. All right. Okay. So you can go through, as you can see, and go all the way back. But you make sure you click on, if you're trying to get your rating decisions, click on the last rating decision, because there could be some other correspondences like mine had FOIA requests. You click on those, it's not going to take you to the rating decision, okay? But you scroll down, find your latest rating decision, click on that, click on the additional link, and it's going to bring up all of those rating decisions, okay? And then you can start going through some other correspondences. So when you go to this website, you might be on here about 30 minutes, okay? Now, when you print it, you don't have to actually print it. You can change your printer settings from your printer to save as a PDF, have a folder somewhere, VA claims folder, a folder within that, VA rating decisions and notification letters, and save it to that folder on your computer or external drive. But if you want a backup copy, then you can print it. Now, why is this so important? Because I talk to a lot of veterans, they say, hey, I think the VA made an error in a rating decision. And I asked, do you have their rating decision? No. You got their notification letter? No. So instead of submitting a FOIA request, this is your next best option. You can go to their website, log in, go under the benefits, okay, compensation, and you can select the rating decisions that you want. So wouldn't be a bad idea to go log in and just start printing off documents. Again, you can save these documents as PDF files on your computer or on an external hard drive, okay? So again, I encourage all veterans to do this. It may take you, some veterans, an hour, because some veterans have a lot of rating decisions. Some veterans have more correspondences that were mailed to them than other veterans. But this is, again, your second best option, because when you submit that FOIA request to get everything, it's going to take a few months. Here, as you can see, it might take you a few minutes. So invest the time, go out to the VA's website and download these documents. When you get them, read them. Read them twice. Read them 3 times. Get a highlighter, mark over them. You may have some questions, okay? And you might be surprised at the information that you find. So I hope you found this video informational and educational. Make sure you like, subscribe, hit that notification button, and don't forget to share this video with your fellow veteran. Thank you.